Messed with my connection, man. I think somebody messed with my computer connection. This is Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, everything we need for next level success. Everything we need for next level success. Some of y'all who may know my testimony, there was some disruptions back in my day. We all come from some dysfunctionalities, but now I'm connecting back and still working on that video, working on the video for my new single, Nobody. Working on that, excited about it. It's coming together. I wanted to show you a little quick clip of a couple of things that may or may not be in there. Can't tell you all of it. But go to Amazon, get you a downloaded copy, and also check out the lyric video right here on my channel. I'll keep you posted as soon as that drops. And if you're new here, thanks for watching. Great music. I'd like to do it over here. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe for more just like this. You don't want to miss it. We'd love to have you as a part of the family. In this upload, we're going to talk about, love to have you as part of the family. I want to talk about 5 reasons. Love to have you as part of the family. 5 reasons why, I want to talk about 5 reasons why you do not have to worry about following the rules of tradition or having what they call a niche in this whole industry of platform and social media. And for those who like to follow our music, working on that new jazz, so we're going to do a little bit of that. I will have some timestamps for you so you can jump around just in case you want to have more of one more than the other. So we'll do it like that. And this is not going to work. Let's start over. 2, 3, and... or anyone on the platform. So the first thing, you already had that, have fun. I don't care what you're doing. Blogs, if you're doing gaming, the second thing I want to share with you is to notice how we're always branding. This took me a while because I didn't really know that everywhere I was going, I was leaving some type of brand. Everywhere I was going, I was leaving some type of brand. Hold up, we're going to get rid of this. And that's another point I want to tell you. There's pros and cons to doing live streams, okay? That was my other thing I want to tell you. There are pros and cons. The pros is you get to have fun, do your thing, okay? But one of the cons is you never know when you might hit the wrong button or another video might pop up. But that's all right. Hopefully that wasn't nothing that'll mess us up. We are family. If you're watching this, we are family. So thank you so much. That's how we like to do it over here. And if you're new here, thanks for watching. Great music. I'd like to do it over here. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe for more just like this. You don't want to miss it. We'd love to have you as a part of the family. In this upload, we're going to talk about, love to have you as part of the family. I want to talk about 5 reasons. Love to have you as part of the family. Is it all right for me to come down Saturdays when no one's here and play? She said, that's fine. You can come down any Saturday you want to. When I showed up the next time, there's a prime example of how that rule will not apply to me anymore. Every time I showed up, that same sign was still there. Violators will be prosecuted, patrons only, but they did not apply to me because as you continue to evolve in your career, Instagram, social media, TikTok, whatever it is, even if it's none of these platforms, just in your business world, maybe even on your job, where you're working at, you can continue to evolve and grow. Thank you for all of you watching, all my subscribers, those who have just come and thank you, those who are viewing. It's all God, there's life in me. If you're new here, my name is Stevon. I'm a singer-songwriter. If you're new here, my name is Stevon. I'm a singer, songwriter, recording artist, author, and inspirational speaker. And if you really enjoy great music, entertainment, inspiration, and motivation, make sure you bookmark my page. Come hang out with me anytime. You always have a place here at Next Level. The second sign that YouTube is not for you is if the second sign that YouTube is not for you. Now listen, if this video brought value to you, do me a favor, hit that like button. That sends a computer algorithm signal to the other people on this channel and lets them know this video, MG, this video. It'll let them know. 2 more videos will come up on the screen. 2 more videos. So now 2 more videos will come up on the screen. Click the one that makes the most sense for you right now. Either way, you're going to be empowered to do great things empowered and excited to do great things in your life, and I'm excited to be a part of that. Click the one that makes the most sense for you. And with that, we are unstoppable. All things possible. There's nothing that needs to be done in your life. That together we, all things possible. And there's nothing. Somebody mess with my computer connection. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. That will send the computer algorithm signal. Lets everybody know this video, OMG, this video. Thank you for all of my viewers, those who have just subscribed. I see the numbers building up. Thank you. That really means a lot. Thank you for all of those who are viewing, maybe not subscribed, but you've been watching me. That means a lot as well. I am on a campaign to build my subscriber base because that's part of the YouTube partner program and basically just a family as well. So definitely hit the subscribe button, turn on all your notifications, and hit that bell. And when I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know about it. I upload videos like this all the time, and if y'all like this, we can set something up where I can do a live stream every week just like this. But definitely hit that subscribe button, join the family. So remember that, stay blessed, stay positive. Remember, there is no God outside of us, there's only God within us. And with that, we are unstoppable. All things possible. Nothing that needs to be done in our lives that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.